Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase account. Buying Bitcoin on Coinbase is straightforward, so here are the steps. First of all, launch or open a web browser and then sign into your Coinbase.com account. After you are signed into your Coinbase account, go ahead and ensure that you have linked or added a payment method such as a bank account, debit card or credit card to your Coinbase account. After you've added a payment method, navigate to the Buy and Sell tab at the top right corner. If you haven't already, you'll also need to verify your information. Click the Verify Your Information and finish setting up your account. After you set up your account, you can then choose the Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, review the transaction and confirm your purchase. And that way you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. You can also directly buy Bitcoin from the trade category. Simply click on Trade from the left-hand side menu from the home screen and then click on the Buy button right next to Bitcoin and then select your Bitcoin amount you would like to purchase. After completed, your Bitcoin will be available to your Coinbase wallet. So that's how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.